Hey, it's around here. I want to tell you a little bit about the Google Analytics update that is coming up. So this particular update is something that the Google have been rolling out for at least 6 months. And what happens is that if you have installed Google Analytics before or you don't have it at all, you basically need to do it again from scratch. And there's an update that needs to take place. Now, this particular update and the whole point of Google Analytics is to track numbers of your website. I'm very big on my numbers. I love knowing what's going on with my website, how many people visit, what pages they spend on, what pages they end up leaving from, how long they spend on it, how they found me. All these details and so much more Google Analytics helps you provide. So basically this update, it can be really techy to do that. I barely understand it myself, and I would recommend that you actually hire somebody to help you with that. Now, there is a checklist that I'm including below this video for you to actually set it up. So the checklist is going to walk you through step by step. My virtual assistant team put it together, my tech support team, and you can follow these steps and DIY it. Depending on what software you're using, it might be a little bit more complicated, a little bit different than what you're seeing. And we're also including the official Google Analytics documentation that you can follow. However, if you want to save yourself the trouble of trying to figure this out on your own, you're welcome to hire my tech support team. It's a single payment of $50. They will literally hop on a Zoom call with you. You share your screen. You don't have to share your passwords or anything like that. And they will tell you where to click and what to do. And it will basically be done in a matter of one session. So that's pretty much what I want to tell you. Again, the checklist is going to be below for you to follow and DIY it. But again, if you want to save yourself the headache of trying to figure it out on your own, my tech support team is available to help you one-on-one. If you do decide to make a payment, then as soon as you do, you'll receive an email to book a one-on-one session with my virtual assistant, tech support team, and also my tech support team will receive a notification so they can follow up with you. After you do sign up for it as well, do connect with me on Messenger so I can connect you with my team as well, in case we need to figure out different types of scheduling, in case the calendar doesn't work, different time zones, things along these lines. So that's about it. If you want to DIY it, go for it. Checklist is going to be below. If you want to just hire help, then it's a single payment of $50 and you'll see the link somewhere below. And last link, if you are in my tech support membership and you're happy to be watching this, you don't need to pay, you don't need to DIY it. You can simply book a call. You already know the link. And you can reach out to me if you have any questions, and you'll be able to book that call and get that assistance with Google Analytics at no extra cost. So that's for those in my tech support membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Really appreciate you. By the way, I'm in Bensko. This is a little room that I'm in because I'm in a co-working space, so it's a bit loud. And it's just a peaceful room for doing podcasts and stuff. So that's why the background is a bit funny. But anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.